Welcome to Fresh Kite, Earn While You Learn. So in Fresh Kite, we take 12th standard students. She is Saraswati. So she finished 12th standard in 2020 and she is doing BSc Computer Science in Correspondence in Annamalai University. She joined Fresh Kite and she got a offer in Avasoft after just 3 months of training. And right now she is working there for 8 months. She is full time. She is earning 23,000 in hand, and we have 4 other students. Here is Diliban. He is 2021 12th passed out, and he also got an offer in Avasoft. Currently he is undergoing internship. And Hari is also BE graduate, 2020 passed out. He is also undergoing internship. And he is Manigandan. He is undergoing internship in Cubacom. He is a diploma graduate. So now this video is about how to become a crorepati or how to retire at age of 35. Okay, what we need to do while we are earning. That's a video about. It's an important video for everybody. We don't get any financial knowledge in school or college. This is an important video, so watch till the end. So in Fresh Kite, what we wish for our students is, we wish happiness for our students, right? It is not important that they go get a job. In Fresh Kite, it is not important that the students get a job. Okay, most of us, if you see, right, at age of 40, 45, we have great financial commitment, right? We have kids' education left behind, and we have a lot of loans, EMI running, and at this age we are into problems. Okay, so if you want to be happy, you should not be bound by any financial commitment, which is very important. So your job should be optional at the age of 35 to 40. So this is very important. So at age of 35 to 40, or in this age, right now it is in this period, right, 30, 35 or 40, you should have enough money in your account. You should have a own house. Okay, and at this point of time, you should do what you love, right? It's very, very, very important. This is what will give you eternal happiness. Okay, you should do what you think is great work. Okay, you might get money or you might not get money out of it, but you should do what you love. Somebody might be interested in farming and you might not get enough money out of farming, but if you love it, you have to go do it. If you want to do it, your finance should be very good. Like, you should have enough money in your bank account and you should have a own house and all this stuff. So how to attain this stage? So this is what we call it as retirement. Retirement is not just quitting a job and sitting simply at home. Retirement is stop doing something for money and start doing something which you love, right? That is what is retirement. Okay, now how to achieve this, right, is what we are going to talk about in this video. So obviously, if you want to make more money, it is important that we have to save. So where to save, okay, and how to save is what we are going to talk here. Okay, so the first and foremost thing is, we should not combine investing and insurance. So the first mistake we do is, once you join a job, we put LIC, right? So in LIC, we mix insurance and investment. Okay, so this is the first wrong thing we are doing. Investment is, we are putting money for our money to grow big, right? Insurance is, if something happens to us, our family will get some money. That is life insurance, right? So LIC combines these two things. There's a lot of things. Here you should not get trapped. Okay, here the returns will be 4 to 5% per annum. Okay, the interest you get is, and this we cannot even beat inflation. Okay, investing here. So the wise way to invest is through stock market. So when you are young, it is better to invest through stock market. The stock market is a simple thing. Okay, for those who don't understand stock market, the simple way to tell is, someone wants to go their business. It can be a coffee shop, it can be a cafe or anything. If you want to grow a business, you need money, you can get money from bank. Okay, even if you get money in bank, irrespective of your business grows, if it does well or if it doesn't do well, you have to pay money back to the bank, and there's a risk involved, correct? Instead of that, what you can do is, there are stock exchange like NSE, BSE, right? Through this stock exchange, you can get money from public, right? From people, you can get the money. You can give number of shares, people can buy your shares, by that they are investing in your business and you get money, okay? And once you get listed in this exchange, every 3 months you have to declare your profit loss statement. If you declare profit, people will be buying your shares and your share price will go high. If you are declaring loss, people will sell your shares and share price will come down, okay? So by this way, the running the business can share the profit and loss with the public. Okay, so that is what is share market. Okay, so when you are investing in when you are buying a share, it is actually you are investing in a business, right? So if you invest in right business, okay, obviously your money is going to grow. Okay, so now what is the right way to invest in a business? So if you see Titan share price in 2002 or 2003, it is around 2 rupees, right? Now it is 2000 rupees, which is 1000 times more. So if you have invested just 5000 in 2002, your money would be 1000 times more, right? Which is 50 lakhs. That's huge amount, right? In the same way, you see Suzlon Energy, right? This share price is around 400 rupees. Now it is only 7 rupees. So the money you invest in a company grows based on how the business grows, okay? And many will not have the capacity to monitor, have the time or capability to monitor this, right? Monitor what the company is doing, what is the cost, quarterly results and all these things, okay? So for a beginner, when you start doing a job, it is important it's best way to invest through mutual fund. Now what is mutual fund? Mutual fund is nothing but collection of these kind of shares. It is managed by a fund manager, okay? So he knows what company is doing good and he invests in a big set of companies, okay? So he will take care of it. So mutual fund is the best way for a beginner to invest in share market, okay? Now there are different kinds of mutual fund. A small cap mutual fund which invests in small companies, because small companies has an opportunity to go big, and a mid cap mutual fund is there, okay? So let's go and see some fund, okay? Let me check. Access small cap fund, direct plan, okay? So SIP is systematic investment plan, where you can invest some amount every month, okay? If you see this, right, at 10 rupee, the value of this mutual fund in 2014 is 10 rupee and it is now 64 rupees. So it has grown 6 times, okay? And we need not bother about what the fund is doing, and now and then there will be a downfall, okay? That usually happens in stock market, okay? And see, if you have invested a SIP amount of 5000 rupees from 2013, okay, you would have invested 4 lakhs 75,000, but now the amount is around close to 13 lakhs with an annual return of 24.5% in a period of 6-7 years, right? This is a very good return, okay? So what we need to do is, we need to just put this monthly amount in these kind of mutual fund, okay? This is a small cap fund, which is the company invests only in mostly small cap companies, and you also have a mid cap fund, okay? As is mid cap fund, which invests in medium sized companies, okay? Here also the amount would have resulted in around 15 lakhs. 5 lakhs invested would have resulted in 15 lakhs. Okay, so now I am going to tell you how to start this systematic investment plan. Okay, so this is the account of the student Saraswati. In Freshkite, people who have, after joining job, asked to open this Demat account. Okay, Saraswati, who I told you here, right? So she is Saraswati. She just finished 12th standard. Okay, so we asked her to open this Demat account. Okay, and now she is earning 23,000 in hand. Okay, so we are telling her to put 10,000 in monthly SIP. Okay, so what she has done is, let's go to her dashboard. Okay, and go to SIP conditional, and this is the monthly invest plan she has started. Okay, in mid cap fund she is putting 3,000 every month. In small cap fund she is putting 3,000 every month. In long term equity fund, this is ELSS scheme, she is putting 4,000 every month. So in this fund there is a locking period of 3 years. Okay, and any amount invested in this fund you can claim for tax. There's a tax benefit available for this ELSS fund. So she has put in these 3 funds, and anytime what she can do is she can go and she can increase the SIP amount. Suppose the salary increases, she can go and increase the SIP amount. Okay, so this is, and anytime you want to cancel you can delete it. Okay, so this is how you have to start. Now how to start SIP in in Zerodha? So you have to open an account with Zerodha, and then once you go open an account you will get a username login. So Zerodha, once you open an account, okay, you get a username login, and then you have to go to coin.zerodha.com. Okay, here only you can invest in mutual fund. Once you log in here, your name will be displayed here. You can search for a mutual fund. Okay, so she has split in, she is planning to invest 10,000 every month, and she has split it in 3 mutual funds. Okay, you can search for the mutual fund, Axis small cap, or let's go to Axis mid cap. Okay, and then here if you see, right, the expense ratio, this has to be minimal. You have to check this. Okay, always invest in direct fund. Okay, because here the expense is very less. See, you are somebody is managing your money and they are investing in stocks, right? So there is some commission for them, right, for the fund manager and other people. So some amount will be going to them. Okay, so this, if you invest in regular fund, the expense ratio is more. So always invest in direct fund. Okay, so here you have to go here, and then what you have to do is you have to click this SIP. Okay, and then the suggested initial investment, you need not invest anything initially. You can take out this click mark, and monthly, suppose you are getting a salary on 7th, then you can put it on every 10th. Okay, and what is the SIP amount here? 4,000, and then click start and confirm it. Now your SIP will be started, which is systematic investment plan. Every month automatically this date 4,000 will be invested in this mutual fund. Okay, and what you need to do is, once you get your salary, okay, so once you get your salary, you just need to transfer your amount to this account. This is Zerodha's corporate account. Okay, so this account you add it in your savings bank account. Add this account and transfer the amount here. Once you transfer the amount to this account, it will be automatically credited to your Demat account. Okay, so every month you get a salary. Suppose she is getting salary 23,000. She has to just transfer 10,000. Once she transfer 10,000 to this account, it will come to the Demat account, and automatically on 10th it will be invested in this mutual fund. And this is what you need to do to become a crorepati, right? See, just at later point of time, right, we have if her salary increases, and if she can invest monthly 50,000, right, in this fund, if she invests for 7 years, right, let's see how much she will be getting. She would have invested around close to 53 lakhs, and she would be getting 1,58,000. Just 7 years if you invest, right? So this is the secret of becoming, of retiring early, of becoming crorepati, of leading a very healthy financial life. Many people don't do. Any people, what they do, when they join a job, they buy iPhone. Okay, they buy costly bikes, they buy car, they buy houses. Okay, so they lose the opportunity for the money to grow. Just think, at my age, at the age of 23, if I have bought an iPhone is costing around 60,000-80,000. If I have invested that money in Titan share, correct? 60,000 is worth now 66 crores. Correct? So our iPhone is worth 6 crores. See, the happiness which lifestyle brings is momentary, right? It will last for some time only. You buy an iPhone, you'll be happy for 1 week or 1 month. But this being frugal at starting stage of your career and spending money only for what is needed is very important to have a very happy and a successful life. I hope you all follow this and start investing in mutual fund in this SIP method. Thank you.